30% off here. Look at this. Is this the cheapest we've ever seen these? Jordan 38s for under $100. Yo, these are the cheapest we've ever seen these. Dude got the graffiti 4s right here. That's my size. I definitely would got that. Are these extended size price? Are they gonna be hella cheap? Vaporfly next percent. Here with the family. They're having lunch. We are taking a look at Nike Outlet San Clemente. Let's go. This Nike Outlet is 2 stories. All right, I'll show you guys the layout of the store later. Let's check out the back wall. Got 30% off the back wall. Starting with the smaller sizes, size 8. Got some 7s right here. White infrareds. They are going for $160. I was like, what SPs are these? Got some Nijas. $50 for these. What are they talking about for the Zion 3s? $140 still. Zoom Free 5s down to $65. The offlines, haven't seen these too often lately. $60 for these bad boys. Moving up to the 9s, KD16s going for $85. ISPA Sense Flyknit. Those are interesting looking, going for $80. Pro Strongs right here going for $110. We got some trainers right here going for $75. 6 rings, kind of an interesting color, $110. $120 for the Vapor Max right here, the Vapor Max Plus. Jordan 38s, $111. Ooh, $111, 30% off, so it's like $80, $80 or so. That's a hell of a price on these. Jordan 3, the green glows. Yeah, those are $2, but at least you get the 30 off. What the hell is this? These are some golf shoes. Oh, okay, these are some golf. Yeah, these are definitely not the Jordan 6 golf, but yeah, Jordan golf shoes. Team 1s right here, $110. These are $9.5. All right, men's clearance apparel. We'll get back to the sneakers in a bit. Got some ACGs right here. Oh, and I was like, I thought it was 19. I thought it was mismarked, but yeah, $80 for those. That's not bad, actually. Especially with that 30 off. We do got a Jordan Poole jersey right here. $2. These aren't authentic. I got all these WNBA generic jerseys. Oh, I thought it was WNBA. Didn't I see WNBA? Maybe not. Maybe not. My bad. Jump Man generic jerseys going for $25. Lakers Swingman with the Kuzma. Damn, that's like 2 zeros ago. Literally 2 zeros ago. Yeah, I thought that was a Westbrook one, but yeah, not even seeing the price tag, man. Another one of these going for $2. Tech Fleece down to $71. This is a hoodie though, $71 and then 30 off. Damn, why do we have so many Pool jerseys? What's going on here? Then we got the white ones too. What the hell? We got so many. Got a Clippers jersey right here. These are $70 for the PGs. Got another full rack right here. This one is a mixture of tops and bottoms. And another one of these. We have a lot of these shorts. They're just, are they basketball shorts or running shorts? I don't know. $30 for those or $28 for those. Moving to the pants section right here. Got some slacks down to $55. These are all for golf. And then got some SB shorts. SB shorts, $34, $75. $75. Those are pretty dope. We're in San Clemente, of course, they're gonna have polos right here. $40 for Nike Polo. Got more of the golf slacks, going for $25. And Tech Fleece in the army green. No price tag, no price tag. All right, let's go finish up with the back wall right here. Yo, these are the cheapest we've ever seen these. You got the graffiti 4s right here. These are tanks. We got suede up top. We got that foam posit material on most of the upper. And yeah, these are just tanks. You grab these will finally age when you're like 75 years old, dude. Doesn't matter how old you are. These are $100. Then you get that extra 30 off. $70 for these, holy cow. And then of course we got more of the 7s. Got blazers down to 85. That's still too much. We got these Air Force Ones going for retail. I guess you get 30 off. Jordan 1 Golf right here. These are 180. I got this huge fan right here, so hopefully it's not getting in the way of my audio. Jordan Delta 3s going for 55. Penny 2s going for 110. Size 11 Cosmic Unities going for 80. Legend Essential Nothing, who cares? Terminator Lows 120. Other than these right here, these are a freaking steal. Ooh, is that other one mismarked? Because this one shows it's 200. Now I'm just curious. Now I want to check all of them. All right, yeah, I found a 4th one right here, size 9.5. Look at this, 2 bills for those. And yeah, look, this one, it is marked 110. So I think they made a mistake. They did make a mistake. Gotta take advantage. I'm not buying it though, but I'm saying, if you find your size and they mismark it like that, you definitely need to grab these. Pretty much $100 off. Holy cow. All right, I did create a little short. Gonna post it on my Instagram in a bit as well. Size 12 Airmore Tempo slides, $85. I freaking love those. Can't wait to pick mine up. My bad, doggy. My bad, dude. I've been supposed to meet with one of my boys, and I've been lagging. My bad, doggy. But yeah, I do got these right here. $55. Infinity Run 4 fly nets for $54, and then you get another 30 off. So like $40. $40. Are you serious? That's my size. I definitely would grab that. Now they're making me want to check all the sizes to see if they got one of those in my size or my kid's size. 120 for these. True Flights right here. Jordan 37s going for $40. $40? Size 18 though. Those look like huge freaking boats. But you have $30 or less than $30 actually. $28 for those after the discount. See a lot of extended size pricing right here. $80 for these. $40 for size 15 Zoom Freaks. Remember, you get an extra 30 off. Witnesses right here for Big Feet Gangs, $50, so 35 after the savings, but not on these Airspan 2s. Still going for 80. And then these right here, Cosmic Unities, $50, so $35 after the savings. Got plenty of savings for Big Feet Gang. And I may or may not be swooping by one more time real quick to see if they have any more of those $40 Infinity Run Finance. Happened to run into one of my boys out here. I was like, what the hell are the odds? It's hilarious. All right, do we have any other apparel to look at? Yeah, let's check out a little bit more of the apparel. Because I do see Tech Fleece, 40% off 100, so we're back to that. Some of the outlets, they've just been doing 30% off. Some do 40% off. And they got good colors. Except these, man. These were at the clearance store for like hella cheap. But if you want to match the top and the bottom, they got those. And they got these older styles right here. $115 for these. I haven't seen these in a while. I'm not a fan of this one. It's like way rougher. Got USA apparel right here. $40. Seems like the same as the Torrance store. They do have multiple colors. Bottoms only. Man, I still need to trademark that for a bar. Name of a bar. But yeah, I do got sweats right here. What they talking about? What they talking about? $45. So that's what, a little under $30. So it's not too bad. They got them in black as well. These are going for $55 though. I've been checking backpacks. I've showed you guys pretty much every backpack. They do have the Elites right here. These are 25% off. $60, 25% off of that, so $45. Trying to show you guys ones that we haven't seen too many of. $60 for this. Feels like faux leather, but it feels really good. And then this one, pretty much the same but different. But yeah, those are $55. And jackets right here going for $70. These are windbreakers. You do get 40 off. Got workout gear right here. Yoga going for $43. I don't really understand this. I just thought that looked kind of cheesy looking. What are you, like a taxi driver or something? And got fleece right here, 30% off of 42 for top, and then 37 for the bottoms right here. And this ain't bad. This isn't bad. It is Nike Yoga, but you can wear this for other stuff. They got the kids section right there. They got the men's section right there. And the men's section is actually pretty big. I was about to go downstairs. Wait, I haven't even shown you guys the aisles yet. Do got a ton of these Jordan 2s right here. Nike Free Flyknits right here. These are from 2018. Legend Essentials. These are pretty much the budget Metcons. Metcon 8s right here. Ton of these generic things right here. The Monarchs. They got 3 different displays of the same ones. Oh wait, 2 of them are the 4Es, which are the wide ones. That's the regular one. Bunch of the budget signatures right here. Stuff that we've seen pretty much at every other outlet. And then the non-signature Jordans right here. And they got these Vapor Max Mocks right here. Got a couple of them. Hyperdunk 2017 lows. ET Cut 3 is going for way too much. And this is the first time I've seen the Vomeros here, the Vomero 5s. We're gonna start seeing an influx of these at the outlets because we have been seeing them hella cheap at the retail stores. SB Blazers right here. Roshi's going for way too much. Got some Dunks. Got some Terminator Highs. Air Max 1s. 2017s. Hirachis. Hirachi Runners. Got a couple of those. And then we got these right here. This is like the colorway that I've seen the most at the outlets. But this is one of the cheapest prices we've seen. That's pretty much $100. I can't wait till these make the back wall, man. Definitely grab these. If these drop down to like 60, 70 bucks, definitely gonna have to grab them. Then we got the downstairs right here. This is the women's section. I see at least 10 of these fans. I think their ACs are down. I think the ACs are down, and these fans are so nice. Of course, the back wall. Also get that extra 30% off in the women's section as well. Starting with the huge section for the women. Are these extended size priced? Are they going to be hella cheap? Vaporfly Next Percent 3s? Nah, man, they're still $2. Dang it. Jordan 1 Low Elevates right here. $50. See, I was hoping for something like that. They got a ton of these Jacquemus J-Force 1s. 12.5 men's, 14 women's. These are priced pretty cheap. What's this right here? What's this right here? Weird air unit in the back. Air Max interlocks? What the hell? 65 for these. Got some Nike Bayous in the bigger sizes, size 10s. Right here, these are the Pegasus 41s. And they still go for 160. Air Force 1 Nike Bayou 140. Finally something dope. Invincible Run 3s right here, and they priced them right too. $100. Dang it, they did one of those. Hey, we're gonna put something cheesy on it. I don't know what. Means something for the person who ordered it, but not for anybody else, unfortunately. So yeah, those are going for $100. More regular size, 7.5 for women. Vomero 16s go for 120. Icon 9s go for 80. Pegasus Trail 4 size 7 go for 95. And seeing a lot of the same stuff. Look at all those. What are those? Metcons? All these same generic things right here. All the Pegasus Trails that I just showed you guys. All these things are just not much variety here today, to be really honest, especially in the women's section. I want to show you guys the women's aisles. There's just not much. I'm not gonna lie, this might be a shorter video. Do got these Pegasus Trail 4s right here. Do got multiple colorways of the 270s. I'll go for regular price though. Air Force 1 Shadows. This one going for way too much. And tons of blazers, like we've seen in most other women's sections. That's a lot of blazers, yo. Full of the waffle ones right here. Oh, we got one more right here. All black, or mostly black. Can't go wrong with that. But yeah, I think that's it, man. I think that is it. Yeah, would you guys have told the staff members, or would you guys have just grabbed that Jordan 1? I did post that in the short. I'll show that to you guys, and then I'll give you guys a preview of the next spot that I hit up. But that's it, man. That's it, dude. The guys section, hella dope. Women's section, pretty mediocre. So that's about it, man. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. And check out the preview and all this other stuff. Out in San Diego Phil's barbecue. Holy crap. So good. Got little ribs right here. Got some links right there. Oh my God. My favorite barbecue place. Just way too delicious. Way too delicious. This cornbread is so ridiculous. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh my God. Hey Mike, those are some big ass ribs, dog. Oh my God, these hot links, so good. Oh my God. Ribs, baby back ribs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Even the natural cut fries. Got this little onion ring right here. Man, holy crap. I can get used to this. San Clemente, I freaking love it when Nike makes pretty big errors. $110 for these Jordan 38s. Then I check all the other sizes and look at this. 2 bills. 2 bills for these as well. And then another one right here. So yeah, so my conclusion is they did mark these incorrectly. That's an additional $100 worth of savings, man. Last time I saw this in the comment section, people said, hey, I should tell the workers that they mismarked it. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Y'all got me fucked up. I ain't telling them nothing. I do give Nike a ton of credit because they do usually honor it when they do make a mistake. I dropped these down to what, $70-something? $77 or something like that? But yeah, I don't know anybody who needs a size 9, so yeah, we letting them be. We letting them be, man. Out in San Diego next to the Tijuana border. Walked around the whole place. I just noticed they have a separate area for reefers. But yeah, this is the line. Line is always crazy here. It does go all the way back there. Did make it to SeaWorld.
Their blowhole is perfectly designed for